Kami lang yung video content agency dito sa Pilipinas yung kaya tong gawin. Nung shinare ko nga to, ang daming naging objection at nag-doubt eh. We took the challenge and made it possible. So the idea is, we have a new system that can help you create 3 months worth of content in just 1 day. Yep, and almost effortless. Hindi mo kailangan mag-isip ng ideas or alamin kung ano yung sasabihin at maghintay ng 1 buwan para ma-receive yung output. We will prepare all the things like ideas, script, studio, and equipment. Pati video editing kami na din bahala. You only need to spend 1 day with us for recording. After that, you have 24 videos ready to deploy across your social media platforms. May idea ka sa mga SDE or same day edit na usually ginagawa ng mga video prod sa wedding at corporate events? Yung right after the event may mapapanood ka na? Parang ganun yung concept. Pero ayun, 1 video lang yung output. Dito sa bagong sistema namin, 24 yung makikreate natin. Nagawa na namin to sa ilang mga agency owner tulad ng Treehouse Real Estate and Ventures, producing high quality, not AI-generated or even a faceless content. We made a story-centered and brand-focused kind of videos that could get awareness and build credibility. After posting, sa kanila na mismo nanggaling. Nakakuha sila ng total of 271 inquiries. To the point na minamata na sila ng competitor within the area kasi dinodominate na nila yung Malolos, Bulacan. Eto ding si Pam, CEO ng Scale Experts, isang outsourcing agency. Nakagawa din kami ng 24 videos para sa kanya. And also itong si Doc Faith, isang dentist at may-ari ng Sagun Dental Clinic. Ganun din, we made 24 videos in just 1 day. Pare-pareho silang nakapag-post ng 3 months worth of content, 1 araw lang namin ginawa.
Akala ko hindi talaga magagawa yung 24 contents and I'm feeling grateful kasi nagawa talaga namin. Kasi syempre it saves my time, my energy.
Feeling artista in a day. So super professional nila Sir M and the team.
Yung services na ino-offer niya is swak na swak sa kalagayan ng business namin as being gustong magsimula or pumasok sa content creation. So, lahat yon na-resolve agad.
So, if you are a business owner who has a winning products and services, if you are an agency owner who has a proven client acquisition process, and if you have a firm who already scaled your employees to 10 or more people, but you're struggling to cope up with current competition, you're having a hard time generating leads, you can't maximize word of mouth, you're stuck at finding the right employees, and you are not attracting the right partners, distributors, and investors, then we can help you out. We can help you utilize social media to build and maintain online presence. We can help you spread your story that inspires and motivates people. We can help you produce content that demonstrate the goodness of your products and services. We can help you create awareness about the culture of your company. That way, you don't have to worry about becoming active on online platforms. You start, continue, and consistently build raving community. You will reduce the time you spend explaining your products and services because you can have a video assets that can do that forever. And you will start and continue attracting new or even observer prospects which will positively impact your sales. What we're going to do is to create 3 months worth of content for you. We're going to think, plan, write, shoot, and edit all of them for you. And we will do it for only 1 day. So you don't have to worry about your content in the next 3 months. And you can spend time to what you're supposed to be doing like client meetings, employee hangout, and even family bonding. Here are the exact plan. Phase 1, pre-production. We get things ready. We will secure locations, set schedules, fill out forms, and answer questions in preparation for the main shoot. Moving on to Phase 2, content ideation. Dito, mga producers and researchers na bahala. They will brainstorm ideas para sa iba't ibang klase ng content like looping videos, behind-the-scene videos, fake podcasting, talking heads, at marami pang iba. Yung strategy depende sa kung ano yung capability ng presenter, kung easy lang ba sa kanya or hindi. Tapos, we have a method called pizza method to plan a lot of content before the shoot. Next, phase 3, content writing. Dito naman mga writers na bahala. The goal is to write talking points, scripts, quotes, and captions. Writer will spend weeks understanding and gathering materials, making sure na merong mga options. We also have a ready-to-use templates for faster writing. Phase 4, the big day, where we will meet the artista or you in the shooting location. Dito, director yung magli-lead. Kasi ang gagawin natin is magre-record ng different content. Mga raw clips, mga b-rolls, interviews, and mga behind-the-scene shots. Kami na bahala sa hair and makeup, outfits, cameras, lights, microphone, and even use a teleprompter for smooth talking. Meron din kaming special method para matapos agad yung 24 content in just 4 to 8 hours of shooting without stressing you out. Finally, phase 5, content editing. 2 to 3 editors will work on 24 videos. Under the supervision of project manager and again the director, dito magpo-focus sa mga kulay, sa fans, or sa pag-compile ng mga footage para makakreate ng mas engaging na videos. Ang goal dito is to finish everything by the end of the night, to the point na tipong kinabukasan, meron ng mga content na ready nang i-post sa lahat ng social media platforms. We're using the exact system for each of our clients. Like the coaches of the Freelance Movement Tribe. Nakakreate kami ng 42 short-form videos, nag-record lang kami ng isang araw. Walang script, meron lang in-person guidance. Eto ring si David, isang digital marketing agency owner. Nakaka-create kami ng 20 videos monthly, kami na nagpe-prepare ng lahat sa kanya. 2 hours lang kaming nagre-record neto. Etong si Coach Jalvi, 15 videos yung nagawa namin. 2 hours lang din yung recording, walang script. Meron lang mga questions. And marami pang iba. They all have a bunch of content that is ready to be posted, dominating the online world and be seen by potential recruits, clients, and distributors. They did this without the stress, burnout, and wasting time of trying to figure out how to scale their social araw-araw at sila lang mag-isa. Now, I'm offering you the chance para ma-experience din yung same success nila with our same-day content system. Book a call with our lead strategists to dive deep about how we can start creating content for your brand. Bago ka pa gumastos sa mga courses na hindi mo naman naaralin. Bago pa sumakit yung ulo mo sa mga social media manager na hindi sigurado sa ginagawa nila. Bago ka pa magsayang ng oras, kaka-trial and error, mag-isa. And bago ka pa maunahan ng iba, consider our system. It's proven, it's effective, and it's guaranteed na magagawa yung content. And if you act now, nag-o-offer kami ng limited spots for this system. Ito ay para ma-serve namin yung greatest support at ma-ensure yung time, focus, and resources for each of our clients. Don't miss out on this opportunity para ma-systemize and ma-jumpstart yung social media presence ng company mo. Ang pinaka-importanting magagawa mo ngayon is to take action. Kasi this is a rare opportunity para maka-experience ka ng proven system that guarantees better results. Huwag ka nang maghintay. Book a 15 minutes discovery call with our lead strategist.